This is an 80cc RDM CNC PRTO. It uses a custom RDM CNC case, 1.5mm pop-up head, and 45mm stroker weighted crank with a 70cc Stage 6 MK2 Sport Pro cylinder kit. Instead of a 40mm stroke, I'm going to use a 45 in it. This should give me more torque. These engines can put out about 15 to 16 horsepower and turn 14 to 15,000 RPM. Yeah. That's a lot of packaging. Case read, beautiful. Stage 6. This should be able to hold up to 16,000 plus RPM and up to 20 plus horsepower. Nice and strong. Get a spacer of some kind, and whatever this is for. It's got some heft to it. I do not like those. Come on. Are you serious? Well, that's what this is for. I'll have to find out, yeah. I did record me putting the engine on the bike for like 2 hours. Yeah, no, I'm not going to bother editing that. Okay, so the pilot jet turns out to be too lean, so I jet it up to 45, then 52, all the way to 58. It needed a 60, but I did not have any. I checked everywhere for air leaks. Okay, well, with the setup on 1040T, I was only able to get to closer to 12,700 RPM. 57 to 58 miles an hour. I decided to pipe swap to a YZ85 for a little bit wider power band. If you need to modify a pipe to fit on your bike, do not shorten anything on the pipe other than the header.
Oh my god, good job!
Yeah, the YZ85 pipe was definitely better than the scooter pipe. I was able to hit 13,000 plus RPM easily on 1040T 26-inch without any effort. It did feel like the power band hit a little bit more aggressively as well. Now, what about this KX85 pipe with stock header length? The header length looks to be pretty long, so that tells me that the power band will hit earlier. KX85 pipes are known to have a more aggressive hit. I decided to modify the YZ85, shorten the header to raise the power band. The peak power should be at about 11,500 RPM, maybe 12,000. I decided to shorten the KX85 pipe. Well, that did not work. It feels like I lost power up top. That's what I get for not wearing gloves. I might just have to weld these back on and see if that fixes it. It must be running lean or something. Something's not right. Whoa. What a...
Did you build it?
Yeah. How fast?
It's just an 883. It's not like souped up or anything.
Nice. I went 65 with it.
65?
Yeah. Well, I seem to be getting it back, so now I know you should never shorten anything on the pipe other than the header. If you want to get more high-end, more RPM, move the power band up, only shorten the header, and that's it. Well, I'm just gonna go ahead and end this video 14,300 RPM, 65 miles an hour, on a 40T sprocket on the setup. That is still an achievement. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. I'll see you in the next one.